this is a bigger job than I thought. How are we going to get through all these racks when it's just the two of us?
Manually, it would be impossible. But with this new AI tool, we'll have it done in no time. All we need is this. Check this out. All we have to do is take a picture of the rack and then submit it so that the AI app can do its thing. The AI can detect the vendor, make, and model of a device. And by using optical character recognition, it can also extract the serial number.
At this rate, we'll have finished in no time. This is a lifesaver. I guess this AI tool can handle any task with recognizable objects or text.
Yes, with enough images to learn from, the AI can handle almost any task.
So, who can we thank for this app?
The folks at NetReply, the network automation specialists. Imagine the possibilities for your business. Get in touch with NetReply to connect with innovation and automation for your business. net@reply.com